Just 30 minutes from Bangkok, a sanctuary begins to unfold. Every arrival is a gentle step inward. Breathe and move with the rhythm of nature. Create with your hands and connect with your soul. Honor the moon and honor yourself. There's thoughtful comfort in every detail. Here, time flows differently. Culture here isn't performed, it's present. A spiritual journey, deeply personal, uniquely yours. Welcome to Santyia, a journey to finding back yourself.